She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Laura. If it's your first time here, you are so welcome. Please subscribe and turn on your notification. Just click on the bell just right down there. So in this video, I'm going to be attempting a challenge that has been trending for like a week now. I know I'm a bit behind. I know every YouTuber has been doing it. Everyone literally on YouTube, like if you're a YouTuber or if you're constantly on YouTube, you probably have seen this challenge everywhere. I think it started with CCME. She's a Nigerian chef and YouTuber. So she started this challenge of cooking with 1,500 naira. Now, if you convert that in pounds, it's £3, right? And when I watched her video, I was like, I mean, cooking with 1,500 naira, you probably can get a few things if you're in Nigeria or somewhere else or whatever, you know, but cooking with £3 in the UK, how possible is that? And I have been thinking, guys, I've been thinking of what I can make with £3. I don't know. I mean, to be honest, I have a few ideas. I have a few ideas of things I could probably cook, but guys, I can't guarantee that this is going to come out well. That's just me. Yeah, I'm going to try to be as creative as possible. But let me just apologize in advance, just in case this thing goes the other way, okay? £3 is too small to cook for anybody, really. A family of 5, a family of 10, a family of 2. Every ingredient that I'm buying today, everything I'm buying has to fall within the £3. Every single thing. I mean, probably not the spices. Maybe if I'm using, obviously I will be using Maggi, no salt. Those ones will not fall under the budget, but every other thing that I'll be cooking with has to fall within that bracket. So I'll be heading out now to one of the stores here, possibly the cheapest store. I mean, the store that sells the cheapest stuff, you know, because see, there's some stores I can't go to because I know they're expensive. Okay, so I've got to go to a place that I can find things very, very, very cheap. Pray for me, guys.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on.
So guys, I decided to go for potatoes. I'm not sure which. These are the only potatoes they have. Okay? These are the only potatoes I think. These potatoes are so small, and they're like 49. They're like 49p. So salad potatoes, guys. I'm not making salad, but you know. I'm just gonna take one of these. I think I'm with you. Each. So I found the best deal, you guys. 15p for one of these potatoes. Now I don't need that many, so I'm thinking I would probably get about 3 or 4. So that's 2, 3. Okay, this should be about 45p, guys. 45p for potatoes. Oh my god. I might just add one more, you know, just for the road. Okay, so these 4 potatoes for what I'm gonna cook today. You guys, I wanted to do potatoes and mincemeat. Guys, this mincemeat is like £2.89. Nah, it's too much. I'm looking for one that is like more affordable. Okay, so this one is £1.49. This is the cheapest I've seen so far. This other one is £1.99. So I'm thinking I'll go for this. Hey guys. What else? So for my bell peppers because I'm making something like a stir fry, roast potatoes and mincemeat stir fry. I don't know how you guys call it, but yeah. So one of these bell peppers is 41p, guys, so I don't need that many, so I'll probably take about 2. I wish they had like the green. I can't see any green, it's just red. Yeah, one is 41p, so I mean, comparing it to this one, this is like, this one is like £1.29 for a pack of this. Okay, so, oh yeah, I found the yellow one, so I'll take one of this one and one of the red, and I think that should be it. I'm done with bell peppers. Onions is my next stop. So this is me looking for onions. Hey you guys, oh, I'm just laughing at myself. I mean, I know some people have actually exceeded the budget, but I want to try to make mine just right on the budget of £3 if possible. Just gonna grab one of these. You guys, can you see the prices of these onions? Ha, 65p. This is the cheapest apparently. So I will probably, honestly, I just need one. I only need one, but I don't think they sell it like that. So this is the best I can do. 52p. Okay. Well, let's hope that I don't pass or I don't exceed the budget.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that would be £3.28. Is it cash or card?
Card, please. Contactless. So this is all I bought from the market. 2 bell peppers, some onions, 3 big potatoes, and mincemeat. I couldn't find anyone cheaper than this. I might have exceeded my £3 budget, and honestly I didn't even know, because I just figured, you know, it'd be better if I had gotten like a pack of 3 of this. It would have been about £1 something, so it would have still exceeded, but I just wanted to make it as tightly budgeted as possible. So yeah, this is everything I'm going to need to make my meal. I plan on doing some roast potatoes with mincemeat stir fry. Let's see what I can make with all of this again, guys. Hopefully this turns out even better than I expect. So these are the only things that I will be adding to my cooking that I didn't buy, or should I say I already had in my collection of spices. Yeah, so I'll be using this garlic granules, ginger, onion granules, some Knorr chicken cube, and table salt. Yeah, because obviously if I were to buy all these, they would definitely exceed my budget. So yeah.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
If I gave you a week, would you keep it in a bottle, lie in bed and pour a drink of me? And let your friends think you're developing a problem, but we're happier than it could be. And if there wasn't always something dragging us down, like everyone around us saying we're just messing around. Well, maybe I can love you, babe, but maybe I'm too afraid of getting less than I gave. I'm not that brave. I'm not that brave.
So guys, this is my £3 meal and I think it looks delicious if I do say so myself. It even tastes better. Like, I've never made something like this before. This was my first time and I'm really happy I did, because you never really know how creative you can get unless you are like challenged to do something like this. I hope you guys like this video and I hope that you're going to take on the challenge and try your own meal. If you haven't subscribed already, please hit that button and give me a thumbs up for this creative video, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Love you. Bye.